Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Xbox controller input lag on Xbox Series X or S.
Fix 1. Update controller firmware. Step 1. Press Xbox button, Profile and System Settings. Step 2. Go to Devices and Connections Accessories. Step 3. Select your controller update if available. Fix 2. Use a wired connection. Step 1. Connect the controller to Xbox using a USB cable. Step 2. Test gameplay and check if lag is gone. Fix 3. Power cycle the console. Step 1. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds. Step 2. Unplug power cable for 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug back in and turn on Xbox. Fix 4. Reduce wireless interference. Step 1. Move Xbox away from Wi-Fi routers or Bluetooth devices. Step 2. Avoid placing console inside closed cabinets. Fix 5. Turn off controller vibration. Step 1. Go to Settings, Devices and Connections Accessories. Step 2. Select controller, turn vibration off. Fix 6. Check TV game mode. Step 1. Open your TV settings. Step 2. Enable game mode or low latency mode. Fix 7. Replace or recharge batteries. Step 1. Fully recharge controller or insert new batteries. Step 2. Reconnect controller to Xbox.